Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. So glad that you're here. I'm going to be creating 2 cards featuring the new camping stamps and dies from Blue Knight rubber stamps. Let's get started. Blue Knight is well known for their red rubber stamps, but recently they've been producing photopolymer stamps. And the newest stamp set is called Camping. It includes 8 stamps, including 2 sentiments, a large and a small camper, large and a small Bigfoot, the tent, and the campfire. You can also purchase the dies that go with this stamp set. There are dies for the tent, the fire, the 2 campers, and the 2 Sasquatch, which are great because then you can color your images, cut them out, and then pop them up on your card front to create some dimension. I stamped and die cut my images off camera. I'm taking a Sharpie and I'm going over these smaller areas to help them stand out. I'm also taking the Sharpie to outline the stamped and die cut images, again, just to help them stand out a bit. I stamped the tent onto my cardstock. I'm coloring it in with BG11 alcohol ink markers. I'm using Copic markers. The camper top is B4, and then the camper bottom, which is gray, I used T3. I use that to outline the window frames and to color in the door and to color in the bottom of the camper. Then for the campfire, I used Y8. I also used YR4 and E35. I'm going to be using some other products from Blue Knight. I've got Silhouette Forest stamp set, which is a beautiful silhouette scene. I'm also going to use a piece of paper from the Night Sky 2 set. I stamped that off camera. I used VersaFine Clair Nocturne ink to stamp that. So now I just have to build my scene and add my sentiment. Home is where you park it. That's the sentiment I'm using. I'm going to take that alcohol marker, that alcohol ink marker, B4, and just go around the edge of this just to help it match with the theme of the camper colors. I trimmed that panel down a little bit and I put black cardstock in the back to matte layer it, put it on an A2 card base. And here's a still shot or still photo of card number 1. For my second card, I grabbed the Pines and Distant Mountains red rubber stamp and stamped that onto watercolor cardstock. And I stamped all of the images onto the same type of paper. We're going to be watercoloring with Corrine markers, which are a watercolor marker. My watercolor paper is from Northwoods Rubber Stamps. I'll have a link below in my description box, a list below in my description box of all of the items that I'm using. And most importantly, a link to Blue Knight rubber stamps where you can find these amazing stamps and so many more for all occasions. These camping cards are really cute, but you could use them for all occasions. Birthday, get well, thinking of you. Maybe there's somebody for their birthday. Maybe they're like in your family or your friends and they love to go camping, that this might be the perfect card for them. I think these would also make great happy retirement cards and really great cards for masculine, but also for anybody. I wanted to let you know that Blue Knight Rubber Stamps has announced their stamp shows that they're coming up for 2026. They are the coordinators, organizers for the StamperCon stamp shows, stamp and scrapbook shows. So there's one in Allentown, Pennsylvania. That's in April. There's one in West Springfield, Massachusetts. That is in June. And they also usually have one in York, Pennsylvania. That is to be announced as far as the dates. And they're 2 days, Fridays and Saturdays. And the tickets are only $7, I think, to get in at the door. $7 or $8. And you'll get to see all kinds of different vendors there from a lot of different stamp companies and scrapbook companies. Blue Knight Rubber Stamp also will participate in Stamp Scrap Art Tour stamp shows that are held all over the United States. They will do, I think it's called Too Much Fun Promotions. But if you follow them on Facebook, Fans of Blue Knight Rubber Stamps on Facebook, if you just subscribe to that, you will get all the updates on all the upcoming shows that they're participating in. I would highly encourage you to, if you're in that area, to go to a show. You'll get to meet Lynn and Scott, the owners of Blue Knight Rubber Stamps, and you'll be supporting these mom and pop companies that spend their summers and falls every year going and being on the road all across the United States doing these shows. And we want to support them because they're putting a lot of work and effort into creating these beautiful products. And as you know, if you've been to a big box store lately, you just can't find this type of stuff anymore at those stores. So, you know, we want to keep this stamping and card making and scrapbooking craft alive. And so by supporting these companies, we can do that. Did you notice I just put Bigfoot on the card on the left there? It's sort of in the trees in the background on the left. And then I always mat my cards with black, or not always, but 9 times out of 10, I mat my cards panels with black. And I did actually die cut around the edges of my panel just to set it off a little bit. So here's a photo of my second card. I'll also show you again a photo of my first card, and I will show you a photo of both cards side by side. Let me know what you think. Please leave a comment. I love it when you leave a comment and let me know what you think. And if you're new to my channel, I'd love it if you would subscribe. And please give this video a thumbs up. I'm trying to grow my channel. I am trying to get to 5,000. All right, everybody. Thanks so much for watching. Have a hopeful day. Bye-bye.